I'm Brian Sampson.
I'm Chris Dedham.
And this is a Mainline Solutions Short. We're talking today about copy data management. So what is copy data management and what problems does it solve for customers that don't have it today?
Well, copy data management is the management of data on primary and secondary storage. And what it's solving for is the issue of where most customers today have 10x the amount of data in their data center from the primary storage footprint. So, I mean, we've heard for years the growth of data and that the storage costs have been going down. But when you have this 10x inflation in your data center, it sort of offsets all the benefits.
So the 10x, and help me out though, that's not coming from the data itself growing, because we already know that's happening, but it's in these other copies. Is that what you're talking about?
Exactly.
Okay.
I mean, for years we've always maintained copies for backup, for operational recovery.
Sure, you get to 2, 3, 4 pretty quick.
Disaster recovery purposes, yeah. Typically the 3, 4x, right, is the number. But also now, customers need copies to do their development on, to do their testing and unit testing, and now even more importantly, analytics, right? To do data mining, to make money from their data.
Sure.
So this has driven the number of copies up to this 10x plus.
Well, so understanding that, take us through what a customer in the old world, what it would look like versus the new world if they had some type of copy data management in place.
Exactly, good question. So the way it's worked in the past is customers that wanted to generate a copy for testing or development purposes would rely on their backup system. So therefore they would have to do a restore of that data to some other storage device, because they're typically pulling it out of a backup system because they can't use it there. And then they're consuming storage in the data center to maintain those copies for however long they need it for. And the time it takes to restore that data could take hours or days. And that delay is holding up the test and development time, where you have expensive personnel like DBAs and programmers waiting for that data to access it. And another example is in the analytics, right? I mean, in the old days, you could wait a week to generate the reports to see how I should price products on the shelf. But now you need to have that hourly or at least daily.
Sure.
You can't wait days to get that data.
So, okay, so what does it look like if you had copy data management in place?
Okay, well, if you have a CDM solution, what it enables you to do is take advantage of either your backup copies or your primary data in a manner that you can quickly access it and maintain the life cycle of that under one control plane. So for example, in the backup system, instead of having to wait for the time it takes to reconstitute a 1 terabyte database, I can just push a button and make it available almost instantaneously.
In the backup system?
In the backup system.
Okay.
Given the right technology and right architecture. Similarly, on my primary data, I can do the same thing. Most arrays have copy features, so I want to be able to quickly go in, push a button, and create that copy, so then it can be accessible for these different...
For these environments, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. So I'm guessing, though, it would probably take a little bit of discussion that Mainline can help with that to decide which one's the best for you.
That's right. I mean, there's a lot of decisions that have to be made in order to implement an architecture like that, because you're not just integrating with the storage, you're also going to be integrating with some type of management tooling, right, for provisioning, and these tool sets have to be compatible for their APIs and things like that.
Got it. Well, if you need help deciding which one will fit your environment, be sure to give Mainline a call.